G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. How's it going? I'm just announcing my return to YouTube after a longer than expected break. I haven't been active since Christmas, so yeah, I just thought I actually started to miss you guys, and I got a couple of Facebook and Instagram posts saying, you know, where's Vulcan Camman? We miss him. So I do appreciate that you guys are thinking of me. That's very kind. Reason why I've been away is for so long is I've just had a lot of personal issues go on. I just needed to sort out all that stuff. So yeah, I also want to talk about a few changes and some different content and whatnot that I want to put out there. I'm going to still be doing my usual vlogs and stuff like that, and I'm going to be doing my bad drivers and other crazy sites, compilations every month and stuff like that. I've actually got a little I'll put a little compilation at the end of this video, so you can check out my latest little crazies on the road while I've been away. So I've obviously still been riding my bike, so I've been filming footage with my GoPro and all that sort of stuff. So I'll show you a little compilation in a minute. Yeah, not very much has changed on my bike wise since the last time I saw you guys. Really the only different thing is when I made a little modification to the cargo rack, because there's a little cover that covers up like this sort of area here, and the reason why I took it off is because it snapped in half. And well, originally this cargo rack was actually bolted to that bit of plastic that covers up the saddlebag racks, and it was coming loose all the time. So I thought, oh dear, I better get that looked at. So anyway, I took it to a friend of mine, and we decided to actually bolt it onto the friggin' frame now, so it's a lot more sturdy now. But yeah, apart from that, that's really the only change. Anyway, content wise, I'm going to put out some more Vulcan Camman adventure videos and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of that, those time-lapse videos that I have with the music playing in the background. I'm going to do more of those sorts of videos as well, because you guys really like those videos. I'm also going to try and do more interaction with my fellow riders and whatnot. Scat Moto, I want to try and go for a ride with him and make a video with him. And also a couple of local riders, try and catch up with them and make little compilation videos or something with them. Not compilation, contributor, no, you get the idea. And I'm also going to be I'll just try and be more active in general, just more posting more Instagram photos and Facebook and stuff like that. I'll try and be more active than I used to be. And yeah, about that gift voucher giveaway or whatnot that I set up a few months ago, I decided to scrap that idea, and I also took the video down from that, because that idea basically blew up in my face. It didn't go the way I expected it to. So I thought, I won't bother with that stuff for now. Maybe in the future I'll consider it, but for the time being, nah, I'm not gonna worry about it. What else am I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and do some more more videos using different cameras and stuff. I'm gonna mount a camera, I mount a GoPro here to film my my speedo and whatnot. I'm gonna mount a camera back here also to film. I want to mount the GoPro Karma grip, that the little gimbal that the GoPro has. I want to mount that here, and go on some nice twisty, windy roads and whatnot. So, you know, the camera will be nice and stable, but you'll see my bike, you know, go, you know, like they do in MotoGP. So, yeah, I want to give that a go. Also want to do more drone filming as well. Because you guys really liked the drone video that I put out a few months ago, so I'll try and do a bit more of that stuff there. And I'll also try and do some more, you know, videos with my mates, and you know, go riding with them and stuff like that. And yeah, just I'm just, you know, if you guys have any ideas of, you know, videos I can put up, like, you know, any content suggestions and whatnot, you know, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, that's pretty much as much as I can think of at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Yeah, like, subscribe, and like me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment as, you know, your any questions that you have for me, or any suggestions you have for me, or, you know, ideas you have for, you know, videos and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll try and reply to them as many as I can. And yeah, I overall appreciate you guys, you know, subscribing and you know, showing the love and all that sort of stuff. It really means a lot to me. Yeah, shout out to you know, Scat Moto. And yeah, I'll yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So anyway, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, have a good one. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ah, you Ow, you motherfucker. Ow, 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 ow. I don't know what the hell that was. I think it was a wasp. Ow. Oh god. Ow, that hurt. Oh shit. Almost missed the lights. Whoopsies. I'm glad I didn't have anyone behind me, otherwise they would have honked me. Oh, whoops. Fucking asshole. Fuck Christ. Fucking hell, that scared me. Whoa. You fucking son of a bitch! Oh, I hate it when people do that. Wow. I was slowing down because it was a friggin' 80 zone. He just comes right up friggin' behind me and passes me. Wow. Oh man. So much for having a nice peaceful ride home. You know, you're going on YouTube, mate. Say hi.